Am I audible? Yes, okay. Let's wait for 2 minutes again, them to rejoin. Then we will continue our string functions. Okay, as I was saying that the length string function takes it as when we input the string s, we will get the output as length of the string. Length of the string can be calculated with the help of this string. When the string is so large with the thousands of characters, we cannot sit down and start counting the characters in the string. So we can know length of the string. So we use length of the string function to calculate the length of the string. This is the first function. And the second one is, first let's see in the VS Code how does the length of the string works. I will create new file with the name of string functions.py. Enter. First, I will create name Python is easy. Python is easy. I have created one string name with Python is easy. Now, what I do is I will print, I will print using length function and I will keep name variable, which is a string, our string. I will write that inside a length function. Let's see what does the output we get. You can see here there is some error. It's showing us some error. Okay, what does the error we get? It's line 1, character 5. The ampersand character is not allowed. Where does the ampersand character is? What thing is going on in? Hmm, actually, it is running some other file. Okay, you can see here. Actually, it was running some other file, previous file. You can ignore this error. See, now you can see that 12. When you print this, you can see we got output as 12. Let's count how many characters do we have in the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have successfully 12 characters and the output is 12. In this way, the string length of the string function works. Just you need to input the string, what you string variable, and you will get the output as length of the string. Now, suppose what if I do without a variable? Just I will write as print. I will write length function inside a print function. and I will write direct a string without creating a variable for it. Run. See, you can see 3. 3 here, the output is 3. Even this works for that. The output is 3 here. Even this works. Now, the another function is string dot ends with. String dot ends with. Are you able to understand how does the length function works? And how to write code for it? Till now, do you have any doubts? You can ask. You can ask. Feel free to ask doubts, chat. You can ask anything. Till now, you have got any doubts? Okay. The another string function is string dot ends with. Now, string dot ends with is a function in which we can know that how does the string gonna end. Suppose there is a string called flank. Suppose there is a string called flank. There is a string called flank. Now, in this string, I'm gonna know by passing the argument of the string as nk. I will pass nk, and I want to know that, and I will give this as, okay, I will give this as s, and I will write s here because the string variable you give to the flank string that should be written here, and dot ends with, and you need to write the ends with function. Now in the ends with, you need to check with the particular substring that with the particular substring the string is ending or not. You can write here k or nk or ank, means that you need to take the ending part. You can take how many number of characters you want, you can take, but you need to take ending part. And you can see that s dot ends with can be written in this way. Now when you write like this, if it's there, actually if the ank is there, then it will print true. Now here for flank, the 3 last letters are ank, and we are asking that ank is present or not to the ends with function. It will tell, yeah, true. The last 3 letters are ank, and it's ending with ank for the flank string. Now, if I write something another ink, what will it print? It will print false because ink is not the ending substring of the flank string. Means that we don't have ink at the end of the flank string. This way the s dot ends with function works. And the another string function is count function. Just I will write s dot count, and I will give a string with the name programming and the variable ss. I will write as the variable s dot count here. And I want to find out that how many times my m character is repeating inside the programming string. Means that s variable string is programming string. How many times the m character is repeating? I want to find out. So what does the count function do? It will take the particular character and checks that how many number of times that particular character is repeating inside that string. Now it will take the m and check in the string that how many times it is repeating, and it will print the output as 2 because we have m character inside the programming string 2 times. This is how count function works. Now the next function is, first we will list out all the functions, then we will write code for this. S dot capitalize. S dot capitalize. Now S dot capitalize is, what does this function do? It will take the string and it will print the output as with all the capital letters. PROGRM, PROGR. It will print in all the capital letters. Just it will capitalize. If there is any lowercase, it will make it to uppercase. What if it already uppercase is present? It will keep it as it is into the uppercase. The main motto is to capitalize. And the next function is string dot find. What we gonna do is we will take the string and we will keep it with the function find, and we will want to find the particular word inside a string. I want to find MMI word in the word programming. Now, can I see something MMI here? Yes, exactly. I can see MMI here. Means that it is available inside a string program. Now, in return, what does it do? Means if the string substring which are searching for, if we put inside the find function, it will find that where the particular substring is present in that string. In return, it will return the position, that is nothing but the index of the particular string. Now, what is your index of MMI? The starting index of starting letter substring index we need to see is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting from the 0, guys. So we get 6 for M. The output will be 6 here. I hope you are able to understand what I'm saying. Sixth one. The sixth function, the last function is string dot. That is our string variable is S. So we can write S here. Replace. So what it will do means it will take two arguments. Two arguments in the sense it will take two inputs. First input, it will be the old word. Means that what you want to replace with what you want to replace. Means that what, suppose I want to replace M and with B. My output gonna be as PROGRABPING. Wherever the M is present inside the string, it will replace with P. Okay, chat, are you able to understand what our string functions are? Are string functions clear, chat? Reply with yes or no. Okay, fine. Now we will write code with this. Let's write code for the string functions. Okay, it's saying that, oh, okay, file is already present. So in that case, I will create something different, that is string functions w.py. If you have any doubt, you can text in the chat. I will explain that again, what you don't understand. Okay. Now here, as they have been shown string length code already, I will do from ends with. So S is equals to programming. First, we will take this string programming and I will take S dot ends with, and I will mention inside with, I will mention, does I need to mention anything inside ends with? No, it's not required. For ends with, it's not required because it's used to just calculate. Oh no, we need to mention here ing. Let's mention ing and I will print this. I will print this. So I can note that ing is present inside else dot ends s string or not. If ing is present, my output will be true. If ing is not present, then it will be false. Simple. When I run, my output is true here. That means ing is present. What I will do, I will turn ing into ong. Now let us see the output what it is. Output is false here. That means ong is not present. That is false. ong is not present in programming. Now, next function is count here. Now what I'm gonna do, I will write print s dot count and I want to see how many times f is present inside the string s. Now my first output is for false for this print statement, and the second output is 2. That is m. M is present 2 times in the string program. Okay, check. Now I will write print, capitalize it, and let's see how does the output comes. I will use the capitalize function here and I will run it. Oh, oh, you can see that what does the capitalize do? Capitalize only the first character, not overall the, my bad chat. So capitalize only the first character in the string, not whole character. Just change in your mind that capitalize function is used to capitalize the first letter of the string. Okay, chat. Now only it will do first letter. First letter. Now the next function that we're gonna use is find function. So I am gonna find my MMI word inside the S string. Print s dot find MMI. Let's see the output. What does the output do? I get 6. The index position of M, which is starting, is 6. So we get from MMI. As we have been searching for MMI, the first here is M and here is also M. So it start and its index position is 6. So we get output 6. The next one function we're gonna use is replace. Print s dot replace. Now for replace, there are two inputs. One is I want to write old word which is already present inside the string, comma, the latest word which I want to change, which I want to change. Now let's see the output. Now you can see that when I have written old word M and new word B, wherever there was M inside this string, it was converted to B. And we got output as PROGRABBING. You can see that here BB has been came out instead of MM. This is how the print s dot replace works. The replace function works. Are you able to understand, chat? Do you have any doubts? You can reply yes or no if you don't have, or you have. If you have any doubts, you can say yes, don't, no. Okay, fine. The next thing we're gonna discuss is the last concept for today. That is, actually we are completed with strings, and I'm gonna share some little concept that is input. Okay, always we are giving the, can we use integers instead of strings to replace? Okay, let us see that can we replace integers. Okay, so instead of M, instead of B, I will write 9 here. Now let us see what does the console will say. Okay, chat. Now it will tell that it's error. Actually, what happens in this sense, when you take this replace function now, the two inputs, it will check that the two inputs, whatever they are, that should be a string, that should be a character, that should be in string data type. If it is in string data type, so that one string will be replaced with another string. So when I write here 9, it will cannot replace because 9 is integer and replace must be string here. It is saying that argument 2 means that 9 is string, not int. Means that you need to have string there instead of integer. Okay, chat. This is how the replace function works. Actually, we can replace it by with not with the replace function. We need to do something another. We will discuss in looping statements. How can we replace this? If we have the character 9, means that the string 9, we can replace it. We can replace it. If we have the string 9, we can replace. The integer 9 cannot be replaced. See, you can. PROGRA99ING. Okay? Is your doubt clear? Okay. Still you have any doubts? You can ask me. Okay. So I was saying that now we have input function. Now whatever we are giving the values, S value, A value, B value, we are giving inside the editor window. Like A is equals to this, B is equals to this, S is equals to this. We were giving. But what if I write a program and give to my friend, and when he runs the output, and he want to give his own value inside this string, and he want to give his own value, integer value inside the variable A. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that with the help of the input function. Let's see in the code how does it works. I will create a new file, input function dot py. Okay, chat. When I write input function dot py and print this, so what I do is first I will write a variable like same as it is. I will write this time input and I will write as inside enter any value, enter any value, and I will print a again here, a. Let's see when I run what happens. When I run this, it is asking for any value from the console. What I will do, I will enter inside the console. You can see here down. I am here entering is 7 inside the console. And when I enter it, again it will print a, that is 7. First of all, it will take a value from the console. It will enter to a and it will print the particular a as the output. The print a is nothing but 7. This is how you can take the input from the user. When the programmer programs the code and give for the user can do any input as he wants, as he or she wants. Okay, chat. Are you able to understand what is the input function is? Do you have any doubts? Okay. Okay. Okay, then we will end the meeting today for today. And tomorrow we're gonna discuss what is the list, which is the first data structure of Python. And we will discuss how does the list works and what are the list methods for tomorrow. Okay. I'm ending the meeting right now. I hope so you don't have any doubts. Okay, then we will meet tomorrow.